Yep, I believe this is episode 16, and it is a special one today. So, put this guy right here. And we got another one for you right here. Yep. So far, we have 2. And I was able to find exactly 2 images. So, what if this is a Solipsi ray? And what if this is a MOOVIANTHAN-KAYPHIK? Yeah, I don't know, but this episode's gonna be crazy today. So, here's the card. And it almost looks like they are holding an abductee in their hand. Or in their hands, in their arms. So, and I'll tell you why I've pinpointed it to this location as well. So, origin, constellation Vulpecula. They have met with at least 2 USA presidents as well as with USSR, and now Russian leaders and some high-ranking officials. They supply limited amounts of their technology to humans in exchange for freedom to conduct abductions. They do not involve other alien races in this process, so I'm assuming they're highly technologically advanced if they can conduct the abductions all by themselves without any other aid. They had a big role in the Siberian and Tibetan culture. They still have bases in those hidden areas in the north face of the mountains. They have colonized over 40 planets, planes, outside our solar system this far. So, I take that to mean these guys are colonizers, just like the Solipsi ray. And now, of course, all the extra details are not going to be in the KGB book unless we have the citizens are only allowed a whitewashed version of the KGB book. And I'm pretty sure that what we get is a whitewashed version of the Blue Planet Project. Everything we're allowed to get our hands on is all whitewashed. However, they do give you some information. So they're going to tell you where the origins of where the creatures come from, but what they're not going to tell you is all the other places they have colonized. Again, I'm starting to see a pattern here. It's like you can divide this map. If you were to divide this map into quadrants, like 4s, like hemispheres, so like a line down the middle this way and a line down the middle this way, okay? I'm going to label that as north, south, east, and west, okay? Now, how I've pinpointed this location here is I asked Siri some information about Vulpecula, and when you Google the constellation Vulpecula, I'm pretty sure I pulled this off Wikipedia. It says, Vulpecula constellation lies in the northern sky. Now, if you... Sorry for all the shaking, this is kind of hard. If you draw a line, like right above where we are, this is still north, so it lies in the northern sky, it fits that parameter. The constellation is a relatively faint one, with no stars brighter than 4th magnitude. I don't know what that means because I'm not an astronomer, but it's faint, I'm assuming because look how far away they are on the outer rim. Yep, those of you who are following along, our outer space brothers, the evil ones. It lies in the middle of the summer triangle. Okay, so you can see that this brown spot makes a triangle, and there is something in the center, so I thought that was interesting. An asterism formed by the bright star's Vega, or whatever, so it's like right next to Vega. So it has that going for it. And then it's in the constellation, it says something about the constellation Lyra, Altair in Aquila, and Deneb in Cyginus. Okay, it said something about Cyginus, and we have the Cygini up there, so it's like they almost have a connection to each other. But then the Aquila is down here. Now, if I remember, I think these guys weren't very friendly either, so I don't know if they have, but it's like they got this side of the map on lock, right? So far, the only peaceful ones are these 2 here, and if you notice in the movie Independence Day, these guys didn't strike until we struck first. So maybe they're also peaceful. I can't remember if those ones, if it said they're a peaceful race, but like, it said these guys were peaceful, but if they conduct abductions, they're not peaceful. So I think that concludes episode 16. Yeah, guys, I can't do this by myself.